Hello everyone, this is our online class and meet me again, Teacher Chanborey. So, do you know what are we going to study for the first session today, everyone? Great, we will learn together about grammar planet 1, right? Are you ready to start our lesson? Okay, great. So now I want to ask you some questions related to the lesson that you have learned with me last time. So do you still remember, everyone? Great. So last time we have learned together about prepositions of place. We learned about the word in, on, under, and next to. And I hope that you are able to use these prepositions of place effectively, right? Because we have learned many times and we have learned so far already. And also we learned about some words, right? We learned about the word umbrella, the word balloon, and orange, right? Umbrella, we use it to protect the rain and the sun. And balloon, we use it to decorate the house, the room for the party or important celebration, right? And orange, one kind of fruit. We use it to eat and the taste is a bit sour and sweet. Great, everyone. So now we are coming to our lesson today and we will divide our lesson into 3 parts, right? We have part 1, part 2, and part 3. So we will do many exercises today. Great, everyone. So today we will learn about unit 14, she's in the box, page 64. You can turn on page 64, you will see the lesson that we will learn. Great, everyone. So in the earlier of our lesson today, I want to do one exercise for you. Okay, read the instruction and learn how to do it with me. 1. Change the words below to plural. So these words here are singular, right? So I want you to change to plural. Actually, this is easy for you to do. Okay, so I will do the first one for you and the rest you need to do by yourself. Okay, everyone, read with me. Apple, notebook, lunch box, sandwich, pencil. Again, apple, notebook, lunchbox, sandwich, pencil. Great, everyone. So the first one, apple. So how can we change this to plural, everyone? Okay, so apple, we need to write it down. Apples. So we add s, right? Change to plural, we add s. Apples. Again, apples. Great, everyone. So I give you 2 minutes to do this exercise. Let's start. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So now it's time for us to check. The second one, notebook. So change to plural, notebooks, right? Notebooks, we add s. How about lunch box? Great. Lunch boxes, right? We need to add es. Okay, we change to plural, we add es. Why? Because it ends by letter x, so we add es. Great, everyone. How about sandwich, number 4? Okay, sandwiches. We also need to add es, right? We change to plural, we add es. Why? Because it ends by, or it ends in letter c and h, so we add es. Pencil. Okay, pencils, we add only s. Great, everyone. Read together with me. Apples, notebooks, lunch boxes, sandwiches, pencils. Okay, everyone. So after we have finished our first part, change the words to plural already. So now we are coming to our second part. We will do this exercise together. So you can turn on page 64. You will see the exercise and we will learn to do. Great, everyone. So how can we do this exercise? That's quite easy. You need to read each sentence carefully. Use prepositions of place above here to fill in each blanks, right? Each blank of the sentence by looking at the picture in our notebook. Okay, so you can see here this picture is for Andy, this is for Andy, and this is for Holly, right? Holly, Andy. Great, everyone. You need to look at the picture and use the prepositions of place here to fill it down. Great, everyone. I hope that you are able to do it. But before we start doing our exercise, please read the instruction with me. Look and write mean look at the picture, right? And write down the prepositions are placed in the blanks. Look and write in, on, under, or next to. Right, everyone? I hope that you are able to do it. Okay? Okay, I give you 5 minutes to do this exercise. Let's start. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So now it's time for us to check the answer together. So this picture is for Andy and this is for Holly. You need to look at these two pictures and reflect on our exercise by using prepositions are placed to fill in the blanks. So the first one is done for you and the rest you need to do by yourself. Great, everyone. And this apple is on the notebooks. And this apple is on the notebook. Is it correct, everyone? Yes, this is correct. How about number 2? A notebook is his lunchbox. Again, a notebook is his lunchbox. So how can we know that the sentence refers to Andy or Holly? Great, we can know by looking at the word his. His here refers to male, right? So Andy is male and Holly is female. Okay, everyone, so look at the picture. We choose one prepositions are placed to fill in here. Great. So we put the word, what everyone? Under. Right? Under. How about number 3? Holly's apple is her lunchbox. Okay? Holly's apple is her lunchbox. So we put next to, right? Looking at the picture, this is need to put next to. Her lunchbox is what, everyone? Okay. On her notebooks. Okay. Number 5. Their sandwiches are. Okay. Their sandwiches are. Why we put are, everyone? Because sandwiches plural, right? Sandwiches plural. It add es refer to plural, so we need to use are, right? Okay, again, their sandwiches are, okay, in their lunch boxes. So you need to look both picture, right? Andy and Holly. Great. Their pencils are, so you need to look both picture as well. Their pencils are, okay, this is also plural, so we need to use are, right? Are their lunch boxes, so you need to put next to. Great, everyone. Okay, now we have done our second part. Okay, so now it's time for us to do our third part together. This is easy as well, or you can take a look at this exercise in our textbook on page 64. Great, everyone. So how can we do this exercise? You need to read, look at the picture and learn how to do it. Okay? Read, look at the picture and choose only one answer in the bracket, right? Great, everyone. So I give you 5 minutes to do it. Let's start. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So now it's time for us to check the answer. Number 1, Rosie is on next to Andy. Okay, which one do you use? Okay, so we choose next to, right? By looking at the picture, we need to choose next to, right? Number 2, a boat can't fly. Can the boat fly, everyone? No, the boat cannot fly. Only the birds can fly. Great, everyone. So we circle can't. Number 3, the chocolate is in on the boat. Okay, so which one is correct? Okay, the correct one is on, right? The last one, do Cam have sunglasses? Great. This is simple present, right? So we choose does or do? Okay, we choose does. Why? Because this is plural, the name of a person. Plural, right? And have, right? Remember the form, everyone? Yes. Does plus he, she, it plus have, right? So this is a form. We circle does. Great everyone, so now we are coming to the end of our lesson. But before we end our lesson today, please read the plural words here with me together. Apples, notebooks, lunch boxes, sandwiches, pencils. Great everyone, I hope that you know about plural, singular, and you know prepositions of place as well. So this is our lesson today. Goodbye everyone, see you again next time.